Do you struggle to speak English in daily life? What if you could improve your English every single morning with simple sentences? Today, you will learn easy and useful morning routine English sentences that can use every day. Hello everyone. Welcome to Naa English World. In today's lesson, we are going to learn morning routine English sentence. These sentences are very simple, practical, and useful for daily conversations. If you practice these sentences every morning, your spoken English confidence will improve naturally. So, listen carefully, repeat loudly, and try to use these sentences in your real life. Let's start today's English practice. Now, let's learn useful morning routine sentences one by one. Repeat after me for better pronunciation and fluency. Let us practice 10 waking up sentences. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up at 5 a.m. I wake up at 5 a.m. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get out of bed quickly. I get out of bed quickly. I feel sleepy in the morning. I feel sleepy in the morning. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. My alarm wakes me up. My alarm wakes me up. I stretch my body after waking up. I stretch my body after waking up. I open the window. I open the window. I check my phone after waking up. I check my phone after waking up. Let us practice 10 drinking water and freshening up sentences. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I use toothpaste. I use toothpaste. I clean my tongue. I clean my tongue. I gargle with water. I gargle with water. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I tie my hair. I tie my hair. I shave my beard. I shave my beard. Let us practice 10 exercise and health sentences. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I do exercise every morning. I do exercise every morning. I do yoga daily. I do yoga daily. I run in the park. I run in the park. I do stretching exercises. I do stretching exercises. I breathe fresh air. I breathe fresh air. I listen to music while exercising. I listen to music while exercising. I feel energetic after exercise. I feel energetic after exercise. I practice meditation. I practice meditation. I drink warm water after exercise. I drink warm water after exercise. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice daily, speak confidently, and your English will improve step by step. Let us practice 10 bathing and dressing sentences. I take a shower. I take a shower. I take a cold bath. I take a cold bath. I take a hot shower. I take a hot shower. I use soap and shampoo. I use soap and shampoo. I dry my hair with a towel. I dry my hair with a towel. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I iron my clothes. I iron my clothes. I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I apply perfume. I apply perfume. Let us practice 10 breakfast time sentences. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I make tea in the morning. I make tea in the morning. I drink coffee every day. I drink coffee every day. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat bread and butter. I eat bread and butter. I cook eggs for breakfast. I cook eggs for breakfast. I drink milk every morning. I drink milk every morning. I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. I cut fruits for breakfast. I cut fruits for breakfast. I enjoy my breakfast. I enjoy my breakfast. Let us practice 10 household activities sentences. I clean my room. I clean my room. I make my bed. I make my bed. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I water the plants. I water the plants. I feed my pet. I feed my pet. I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my mother in the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I organize my table. I organize my table. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I check my important documents. I check my important documents. Let us practice 10 getting ready for work or school sentences. I get ready for office. I get ready for office. I wear my ID card. I wear my ID card. I check my schedule. I check my schedule. I prepare for meetings. I prepare for meetings. I attend online classes. I attend online classes. I polish my shoes. I polish my shoes. I lock the door before leaving. I lock the door before leaving. I carry my lunchbox. I carry my lunchbox. I leave home on time. I leave home on time. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice daily, speak confidently, and your English will improve step by step. Practice daily, speak confidently, and your English will improve step by step. Let us practice 10 travel and commute sentences. I ride my bike to work. I ride my bike to work. I drive my car carefully. I drive my car carefully. I travel by bus. I travel by bus. I listen to podcasts while traveling. I listen to podcasts while traveling. I check traffic updates. I check traffic updates. I reach the office at 9 a.m. I reach the office at 9 a.m. I meet my colleagues. I meet my colleagues. I greet everyone with a smile. I greet everyone with a smile. I start my work happily. I start my work happily. I drink coffee at the office. I drink coffee at the office. Let us practice 10 feelings and emotion sentences. I feel fresh in the morning. I feel fresh in the morning. I feel motivated today. I feel motivated today. I feel active after exercise. I feel active after exercise. I feel relaxed after a shower. I feel relaxed after a shower. I feel hungry in the morning. I feel hungry in the morning. I feel happy when I wake up early. I feel happy when I wake up early. I feel tired sometimes. I feel tired sometimes. I feel excited for the day. I feel excited for the day. I feel confident after getting ready. I feel confident after getting ready. I feel peaceful during meditation. I feel peaceful during meditation. Let us practice 10 useful habit sentences. I always wake up early. I always wake up early. I never skip breakfast. I never skip breakfast. I usually exercise in the morning. I usually exercise in the morning. I sometimes drink coffee. I sometimes drink coffee. I often listen to music. I often listen to music. I rarely wake up late. I rarely wake up late. I try to stay healthy. I try to stay healthy. I keep my room clean. I keep my room clean. I maintain a daily routine. I maintain a daily routine. I start my day positively. I start my day positively. Let us practice 20 extra daily practice sentences. I check my emails in the morning. I check my emails in the morning. I read the newspaper daily. I read the newspaper daily. I watch the morning news. I watch the morning news. I pray every morning. I pray every morning. I thank God for a new day. I thank God for a new day. I prepare my to-do list. I prepare my to-do list. I charge my phone before leaving. I charge my phone before leaving. I wear a watch daily. I wear a watch daily. I drink green tea sometimes. I drink green tea sometimes. I avoid using my phone too much. I avoid using my phone too much. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family. I motivate myself every morning. I motivate myself every morning. I plan my goals for the day. I plan my goals for the day. I keep my desk organized. I keep my desk organized. I smile at myself in the mirror. I smile at myself in the mirror. I enjoy the cool morning weather. I enjoy the cool morning weather. I love peaceful mornings. I love peaceful mornings. I maintain good hygiene. I maintain good hygiene. I stay disciplined every day. I stay disciplined every day. I begin my day with positive thoughts. I begin my day with positive thoughts. Great job! Now you have learned many useful morning routine English sentences for daily speaking practice. Try to repeat these sentences every morning to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Naa English World for more daily English speaking practice videos. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every day.